PangCo Jaya Berhad is a wholesale consumer goods distributor. The CEO, Mr. Pang, came across a Facebook advertisement on kit consulting firm providing business analytics services. Hence, Mr. Pang invited kit consulting firm via email to discuss on a potential collaboration. Now, let's find out what happens next.
Hello, Mr. Pang. It's great to meet you. I'm Cor from Kids Consultants firm Berhad. And let me introduce you to my teammate, Miss Israya and Miss Tankej.
Hi, Mr. Pang. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Mr. Pang. Nice to meet you as well.
Hi, everyone. Thank you for accepting my invitations and organizing this online meeting despite the MCO.
Yeah, thank you for the invitation as well. Let me start by giving a brief introduction about my company. Our consulting firm provide business intelligence and data analytics solution for organization. So we would like to understand more on the nature of your business and product and services involved.
Okay, actually we are the SME based on consumer goods and wholesaler distributor domain since 1993 in Belize. We distribute over 1,008 products to 1,000 retailers all over Belize state, which are consumer goods such as food, beverage, cleaning agents, beauty, personal care products, and etc.
You are sharing, Mr. Pang. So perhaps you could share with us some details on the challenges that you are currently facing in your organization.
Currently, I have a magnifying amount of data which include the sales, orders, and purchases, stock finances. However, the organizations face difficulties to have clear visibility on the current company sales, financial, and inventory performance.
A few moments later.
I'm actually very much interested in business analytics, as in I would like to know what the monthly sales generated by each staff, so that I can have clear view of the top order products and low performing sectors, which business population type are my highest order customer.
We understand the limitations that you are facing here, Mr. Pang. Anyways, we are well versed in tackling this sort of situation and challenges that actually you are facing now. So we definitely need your support as well in order for us to design a great solution for you. We will need at least past 1 year of your sale data, which includes the list of customers, salesman details, and etc. We may need assistance from your staff to understand the technical part of your company operation too. So at least with these kind of resources, we can potentially build a perfect business intelligence dashboard.
Okay, this is great. So how shall we proceed from here?
So actually, we can fix our next appointment to be on June 5th if it's possible, so that we can proceed with data extraction and also meet your staff as well to understand the technical operation of your company. Is that okay for you?
Cool. We will catch you all next week.
1 week later.
Hi, Pang. Thank you for preparing this session of a demo of how to extract data from your data source.
Okay, of course. So I will step by step to show you how to extract the data. Okay.
Yeah.
So first, I will show you how to share screen. Okay. All right. Okay. So we have to go to this S&D Pro lah.
Okay.
Actually, it's our company internal use for the Unilever data source. Okay. So what I will show you is I will extract the from the whole month of the March 2020 data for this what we call our sales data lah. Basically, it's the invoice data and the CN data, the credit data.
Yeah.
So what you can see, all the settings here. So what you should do is I just actually download to the Excel file. Yeah, so I will save the file. Okay, I'll save the file. After that, what I should do is I will go to show you what is inside the file lah. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, okay, so you can see every column, every field for this the sales data. Okay,
Yeah.
this is complete for 1 whole month. So
Okay,
what you
great.
should do is you will extract this file for your the data analysis purpose. Okay.
Okay, sure. Great.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much, Pang, for this demo.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll
Okay,
proceed
thank
from
you.
there and we'll prepare the dashboard and update you. Okay,
Okay.
bye.
Can thank you. Bye.
Many months later.
Mr. Pang, it's a pleasure to meet you again. So how have you been doing?
Hi everyone. I'm fine.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay.
Mr. Pang, we have finally developed the business intelligence dashboard for your organization, and now let us show you the outcome of it and how will you actually use it and how will it be beneficial to your organization.
Okay, that's good news for me. Can you show it now?
Yeah, sure. Well, Mr. Pang, this is the Business Intelligence Sales Dashboard of PangCo Jaya Berhad, which we have developed using a user-friendly interface known as Tableau software. We have also included filters for your easy usage. You can see there are 4 types of visualization here. First one communicates on the product category from each outlet type, and we can clearly see that groceries and large provisions are your biggest customers focused in food and beverages and home and hygiene. The second heat map shows the type of product in each category, whereby we can see home and hygiene care, the hand dishwash and fabric solutions are your top selling products, followed by food and beverages. And also, the sales generated by each category can be seen in a timeline view from 2019 until May 2020, which clearly shows that home and hygiene is your top selling product, followed by the food and beverages and skincare. And finally, we have developed a visualization to view the sales generated by each salesman, which will be very helpful to track their sales performances. As we can see, Vitichai and Wa have been keeping a very high contribution in sales generated in 2019. So, we can predict that these 2 salesmen will be able to achieve the highest sales in 2020 as well. We highly believe this sales dashboard will be of great benefit to your organization to further improve and strategize your sales and marketing, which will eventually lead to increase in sales profit to your organization. So, Mr. Pang, how do you feel about our proposed dashboard and our collaboration with you?
It looks very comprehensive, and I am able to understand the big picture at a glance. Let's work on executing this dashboard model into my company operations. And I really hope your team could provide hands-on training to my staff for efficient dashboard management.
I hope that we can get in touch with you real soon once we have laid out the timeline of implementing the business intelligence dashboard into your company.
Okay.
Wow, that's an amazing engagement between Kit Consulting Firm and Mr. Pang from PangCo Jaya. Mr. Pang is very happy with the sales dashboard as he is able to track the salesman performances, which directly supports to improve sales and marketing strategies. Mr. Pang agreed for implementation of sales dashboard in PangCo Jaya as well as conducting technical training for his employees to operate the sales dashboard. Kit Consulting firm has been collaborating with Mr. Pang authentically, maintaining dynamic professionalism and managed to gain his trust as well. Indeed, it's a great success for both PangCo Jaya and Kit Consulting firm. Who are here with me today is Aishwarya and Mr. Pang.
Hi, Mr. Pang. Nice to meet you.
Mr. Call, not Mr. Pang. Oh my god.
Why was it?
Why you
I think call is either call drunk or not sleeping.
I was calling.